Hi, this is Mark Hooper, and in this quick tip, I want to use a smart shape in Captivate to lighten or darken an image. This is a technique I use when I have a photo that I want to overlay some text and I need to have the details of the photo fade enough for the text to be easy to read. Let's preview the file I've prepared so you can see the problem. As the text appears on this beautiful harbor in Waikiki, I think we'd all agree, it's difficult to read. What if there were a way to see the shot in full color and then have it lighten or darken as the text comes in so it's easier to read? I'll even take it a step further and have the effect animate onto the image. This is super easy to do. Let's go back to Captivate, and on the first slide, I'm going to insert a smart shape rectangle. I'll click and drag a small rectangle onto the slide and then do the sizing and positioning in the property panel. The underlying image is 1024 by 500, so I'll assign these values as the width and height, and then I'm going to set the positioning values X and Y both to 0. Perfect positioning, but now I need to move the item down in the layer stack of the timeline so that it appears under Angela. Next, I'm going to make the stroke for the object equal to 0. I'm going to change the fill type to gradient, and then click on Fill and create 3 color stops in white. Now that I have all 3 in white, let me change the gradient to a radial and then change the alpha values of these white color stops. The first stop, I'll set the alpha value to 40%. This is the center of the shape. The second stop, I'm going to set to 58%. And the last stop, I'll set to 95%, which is the outer value of the radial gradient. Now in the timing panel, I'll set this shape to display for the rest of the slide and appear after 1.5 seconds. Now while still in this panel, I'll set an entrance animation of fly in from top. Now I've already set up slide 2 with an identical shape where the only changes I made was to the colors in the gradient. I made them black. Let's preview the project now and see these 2 slides in action. Now that's much easier to read and it looks great. And that's my quick tip for Adobe Captivate 9. For more information, visit us online.